Well, so I bought a new drone, and I've been telling everybody at my office, and I've told a few other real estate agents and friends, if you need drone photos, let me know, and I will launch the drone and take photos and give them to you free. And I've been practicing in my yard and got cones, and so I'm in my yard, and I launched the drone up high and was going to send it to the park, and it hit the top of the tree in my backyard and fell to the ground and broke the gimbal. It's busted. Anyway, so there's that. Anyway, I've got to figure out how to get it repaired. So my point in all that is, if you are gonna fly a drone, uh, be careful and don't fly it into a tree. I've been practicing and getting better. Lord have mercy. Anyway, that is my advice for you today. I'll show you the puppies soon. There's 3 up now. There'll probably be 5 or 6 up tomorrow. They come quickly. Anyway, I'm the Baluch. Ciao.